A lot of students ask me, ma'am, how do I structure my CAT 2026 preparation? So here are the important things that you should remember. Firstly, it is important to start early. You have to practice consistently every single day till November. So firstly, we'll start with VARC. The most important part of VARC is RC, because RC, that is the comprehension skills that are required for solving RC questions, are also the basis of para-summary questions. So it's actually 16 plus 2, that is 18 questions out of 24, which are based on comprehension skills. So how do you develop these comprehension skills? These come from reading. So the first most important thing that you have to do is develop a reading habit. So starting March, what I would say is that the first thing that you do is start reading regularly, at least 2 articles every single day. The second thing is that there is very little to learn there, but a lot to practice. So over here in VARC, I want you to learn quickly so that you can spend most of your time on practicing. There isn't much to learn. I would say that the learn aspect is 10%, practice aspect is 90%. If you're looking for regular practice, do check out Kraku's daily target. With LRDI, it is pretty similar to RC in the sense that there isn't much to learn. There isn't a lot of theorems or fun days to learn, but there is a lot of practice that is involved. You will understand how to solve LRDI set after trying, failing, 3-4 times you try and fail. The 5th time it will click. It requires a lot of time, and because it requires a lot of time, starting early in LRDI is very important. The third part, which is QA, this requires the most amount of learning. Arithmetic, algebra, geometry. Start practicing these 3 aspects regularly. Learn everything, spend decent amount of time, couple of months learning the different aspects. After that, start practicing regularly. Your preparation should be split essentially into 2 halves. The learning aspect, which is dominated by quant, the practice aspect, which is equally distributed between the 3 sections. You should solve at least 200 to 300 LRDI sets, and you should solve at least 200 RC questions. So by CAT day, you should have solved about 2000 to 3000 quant questions. There is nothing stopping you from getting 99.99 or even 100 percentile in CAT.